I'm testing the free trial of Runway AI video generator to see what you can actually create with 125 free credits. So first, I used 20 credits to generate this image of a cat from a text prompt. That part was very easy and the result looked pretty good. Next, I spent 50 credits to create a short video based on that image. The animation was simple, the cat was just moving its head slightly, but honestly, it worked fine for a basic test. At this point, I had 55 credits left, so I decided to try something more ambitious. This time, I uploaded a photo of a ginger cat and used a more complex prompt. I wanted the cat not only to move its head, but also jump down from a windowsill and play with a ball of yarn. I selected Gen 3 Turbo, which is the only model available in the free plan, set the video length to 10 seconds and click Generate. The system used 50 credits and about 20 seconds later the video was ready. Unfortunately, this time the generator didn't perform well. The cat's movements looked unnatural, the yarn ball was passing through the cat and overall the animation just didn't make sense. The only thing that was correct was that the yarn was red. So this video was basically unusable. To summarize, with 125 free credits, I was able to create one image, two videos, and one of those videos was a complete failure. Maybe my prompt wasn't perfect, maybe the model wasn't the right choice. But this is realistically how much you can test using the Runway free plan. If you are thinking about trying it, now you know exactly what to expect. That's it for today. Leave a comment, please subscribe my channel and thank you for watching.